High in the heart of Pakistan lies a hidden gem. This is Mairagai, a place where nature's beauty and tranquility come together in perfect harmony. It is a small village nestled in the Shangla district, a region known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. The village sits at an elevation of over 2,000 meters, offering stunning views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Mairagai is surrounded by towering peaks and lush green valleys, creating a picturesque setting that feels like a scene from a storybook. The air is fresh and clean, a welcome change from the pollution and noise of city life. The silence is broken only by the sound of birdsong and the gentle breeze rustling through the trees, creating a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where the hustle and bustle of modern life feels like a distant memory. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to find peace and solitude in the embrace of nature. The beauty of Mairagai is undeniable, with its stunning landscapes and serene atmosphere. The village is a photographer's dream, offering countless opportunities to capture the perfect shot. Every turn offers a new and stunning view, each more breathtaking than the last. The people of Mairagai are warm and welcoming, are always ready to share a smile and a story. They are proud of their village and eager to share its beauty with visitors, offering a glimpse into their way of life. Hospitality is a way of life here, with locals going out of their way to make visitors feel at home. Visitors are treated like family, welcomed with open arms and open hearts. Mairagai is a place of peace and tranquility, where the stresses of everyday life melt away. It is a place to relax and reconnect with nature, to find solace in the beauty of the natural world. The village is the perfect destination for those looking to escape the ordinary, to find adventure and serenity in equal measure. Here you can experience the true meaning of serenity, a feeling that stays with you long after you've left. The daily life in Mairagai is simple yet fulfilling, with villagers engaging in traditional activities that have been passed down through generations. Local crafts and trades are an integral part of the community, with artisans creating beautiful handmade items that reflect the culture and heritage of the region. Children play joyfully in the village, their laughter echoing through the mountains, a reminder of the simple pleasures of life. Festivals and celebrations bring the community together, with vibrant displays of music, dance, and traditional attire. The local cuisine is a treat for the senses, with traditional dishes that are rich in flavor and made with love. Sharing a meal with the villagers is an experience in itself, a chance to taste the flavors of the region and enjoy the warmth of local hospitality. For those who love the outdoors, Mairagai offers scenic hiking trails that take you through some of the most beautiful landscapes in the region. The trails lead to breathtaking viewpoints where you can take in panoramic views of the mountains and valleys below. Wildlife enthusiasts will find plenty to marvel at, with opportunities to spot local wildlife in their natural habitat. As night falls, the sky comes alive with stars, offering a spectacular view of the night sky that is free from the light pollution of the city. Gather around a campfire under the stars, sharing stories and enjoying the peaceful ambience of the mountains. And as the sun rises, it paints the mountains in hues of gold and pink, a breathtaking start to a new day in this hidden jewel of the mountains. Mairagai experiences a semi-arid climate, characterized by its unique blend of arid and slightly humid conditions. This type of climate is defined by low annual rainfall, high temperatures during the summer, and mild winters. The landscape here is a testament to the resilience of nature, with vegetation that has adapted to survive in such harsh conditions. The semi-arid climate of Mairagai is not just a backdrop, but a defining feature of life in this region. This creates a distinct rhythm to the year, with each season bringing its own set of challenges and opportunities. The changing seasons are marked by noticeable shifts in temperature and precipitation, which in turn influence the activities and lifestyle of the people living here. The rhythm of life in Mairagai is deeply intertwined with the natural cycles of the environment. Summers are hot and dry, often reaching extreme temperatures that can be challenging to endure. The heat is relentless, with the sun blazing down from a cloudless sky, creating an environment where only the hardiest of plants and animals can thrive. The summer months are a test of endurance for both the land and its inhabitants. The sun beats down from a clear blue sky, with little to no cloud cover to provide relief. The intensity of the sunlight can be overwhelming, making it essential for people to seek shade and stay hydrated. The clear skies, while beautiful, are a constant reminder of the harshness of the summer season. Temperatures can soar during the day, often reaching levels that can be dangerous without proper precautions. The heat haze that rises from the ground is a visual representation of the extreme conditions. Despite the challenges, the people of Mairagai have developed ways to cope with the intense heat, using traditional knowledge and modern techniques. The nights, however, bring a welcome respite from the daytime heat. As the sun sets, the temperature drops and the air cools down, offering a much-needed break. The evenings are a time for relaxation and socializing, as the cooler temperatures make it more comfortable to be outdoors. The air cools down, offering relief from the heat. A gentle breeze often accompanies the night, rustling through the dry vegetation and bringing a sense of calm. The nights in Mairagai are a stark contrast to the scorching days, providing a balance that is essential for the well-being of the people and the environment. Winters in Mairagai are mild and wet, a welcome change from the intense heat of the summer. The temperatures during winter rarely drop below freezing, making it a relatively comfortable season. The mild winters are characterized by overcast skies and gentle rains that bring much-needed moisture to the land. The temperatures rarely drop below freezing, allowing for a more temperate climate during the winter months. The absence of snow means that the landscape remains accessible, and the rains help to rejuvenate the dry soil. The winter season is a time of renewal as the land recovers from the harsh summer and prepares for the coming spring. The winter months bring much-needed rain to the region, replenishing water sources and nourishing the soil. The rain is a lifeline for the semi-arid landscape, providing the moisture necessary for plants to grow and thrive. The sight of puddles forming on the dry ground is a welcome one, signaling the start of a period of growth and renewal. These long spells of rain nourish the land, allowing for a burst of life and color. The once dry and barren terrain transforms into a vibrant landscape teeming with new growth. The rain not only sustains the existing vegetation, but also encourages the emergence of new plants, contributing to the biodiversity of the region. They prepare it for the coming spring, a season of renewal and growth. The springtime in Mairagai is marked by blooming flowers and lush greenery, a stark contrast to the dry and arid conditions of the summer. The winter rains set the stage for this transformation, ensuring that the land is ready to support new life. The cycle of seasons is a vital part of life in Mairagai, influencing everything from agricultural practices to daily routines. The people here have learned to adapt to the changing conditions, using the resources available to them in sustainable ways. The seasonal activities are a reflection of the deep connection between the community and their environment. This unique climate plays a crucial role in shaping the landscape, creating a diverse and dynamic environment. The natural formations and features of the land are a direct result of the climatic conditions, showcasing the power of nature to adapt and evolve. The semi-arid climate of Mairagai is a key factor in the region's ecological and geological diversity. It also influences the lives of the people who call Mairagai home, shaping their traditions, culture, and way of life. The community has developed a deep understanding of their environment, using this knowledge to thrive in a challenging climate. The daily life in Mairagai is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. They have adapted to the challenges and embraced the beauty of this semi-arid environment. Despite the difficulties posed by the climate, the people of Mairagai find joy and fulfillment in their connection to the land. Their ability to thrive in such conditions is a testament to their ingenuity and perseverance, making Mairagai a unique and inspiring place to live. The terrain surrounding Mairagai is rugged and unforgiving. The rocky landscape, with its sparse vegetation, presents a harsh environment where only the most resilient forms of life can thrive. Despite these challenging conditions, nature has found a way to flourish in this seemingly inhospitable region. Yet life finds a way. The flora of Mairagai is a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. Wildflowers, with their delicate petals, manage to grow in the rocky terrain, adding splashes of color to the otherwise stark landscape. The mountainsides are cloaked in a tapestry of diverse flora. From vibrant wildflowers to hardy shrubs, the variety of plant life is astonishing. Each species has adapted uniquely to the environment, creating a rich mosaic of colors and textures. Hardy shrubs cling to the rocky slopes, their roots anchoring them firmly in place. These plants have evolved to withstand the harsh winds and limited water supply, showcasing nature's incredible ingenuity. Their roots burrow deep into the earth, seeking out every drop of moisture. This intricate root system not only sustains the plants, but also helps to prevent soil erosion, playing a crucial role in maintaining the stability of the slopes. These plants are specially adapted to survive in this arid environment. Their leaves are often small and waxy, reducing water loss, while some have developed the ability to store water in their tissues, ensuring their survival during prolonged dry periods. During the spring, the hillsides come alive with a riot of color. Wildflowers bloom in abundance, their vibrant hues painting the landscape. This seasonal transformation is a spectacular sight, attracting not only human admirers but also a variety of pollinators. Their vibrant hues paint the landscape, creating a breathtaking panorama. The sight of these wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze is a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature. The air fills with the sweet scent of blossoms, a fragrance that is both delicate and intoxicating. The sensory experience is one of the many wonders that Mairagai has to offer. It is a sight that truly captivates the senses. The combination of visual splendor and aromatic delight creates an unforgettable experience for anyone fortunate enough to witness it. The fauna of Mairagai is just as diverse as its flora. The rugged mountains and varied landscapes provide habitats for a wide range of animal species, each uniquely adapted to their environment. The mountains are home to a variety of animals. From the nimble-footed ibex to the elusive markhor, these creatures have evolved to navigate the challenging terrain with ease. Ibex and markhor, masters of balance, navigate the steep cliffs. Their agility is remarkable, allowing them to traverse the rocky slopes with a grace that seems almost effortless. Birds of prey soar high above, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. These majestic birds are a vital part of the ecosystem, helping to control the populations of smaller animals. Their keen eyes scan the landscape below, searching for any signs of movement. This aerial perspective gives them a significant advantage in spotting potential prey. Each creature plays a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, every species contributes to the balance and health of the environment. The intricate web of life in Mairagai is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The people of Mairagai share a deep connection with their land. They have learned to live in harmony with nature. Their practices are sustainable, ensuring the well-being of the environment for generations to come. The villagers understand that their survival depends on it. Livestock grazing is carefully managed to prevent overgrazing and soil erosion. The use of firewood is limited. Villagers gather deadwood and prune trees sustainably. This way, the forests are not depleted. Water, a precious resource in this arid region, is used wisely. Conservation is key. The people of Mairagai are the custodians of their environment. Their sustainable practices are an inspiration to us all. They remind us that we can live in harmony with nature. It's a lesson we should all take to heart. While Mairagai itself is a destination worth savoring, the surrounding region is equally captivating. Just a short distance away lies the renowned Aubia National Park. This park is a haven for nature enthusiasts. It boasts towering pine forests, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking vistas. Visitors to Aubia can embark on invigorating hikes. The trails wind through dense forests and lead to scenic viewpoints. For those seeking a more leisurely experience, chairlifts offer panoramic views of the landscape. The fresh mountain air is exhilarating. The journey from Mairagai to Aubia National Park is an adventure in itself. The winding road offers glimpses of local life. You'll pass through charming villages and see terraced fields clinging to the hillsides. It is a journey that engages all the senses.